Hi guys, what's good? This is Maahek Nair from Body Pro Coach Nutrition and a very warm welcome to our show today. So today we are doing a green mint shot for you. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Water.
Yes.
Ice. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Mint leaves, 8 to 10. Coriander leaves, small bunch. Himalayan salt, half cup. Water. Ice cubes. Cumin powder. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. Rock salt. And our mint shot is ready. It's an excellent shot for people who suffer with indigestion, acidity. It's excellent for people with IBS, that's irritable bowel syndrome. It contains menthol, which can help you with decongestion of your nose. That means a common cold and flu what you suffer. So it's highly organic and excellent source. Request you to please hit that bell button, subscribe all our videos so that you get information on training, nutrition, what to eat right, and Maahek Core Pilates. Everything on one platform. That's Body Pro Coach. Thank you so much. This is Maahek signing off.